12 DIY baking soda remedies for blackheads. Many people know baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, has a number of health, household, and beauty benefits. But did you know that baking soda also works well in treating blackheads? Baking soda's mild abrasive properties helps to clean the skin and remove blackheads. Blackheads are typically black or yellow and occur when skin pores become clogged with dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. These are simply pimples without skin that, when exposed to air, become oxidized and turn black. People of all skin types suffer from blackheads, but are most common with oily skin. If you are looking for a natural and gentle remedy that removes blackheads without stripping off the natural layer of your skin, try baking soda in combination with other ingredients. Read below for 12 amazing uses of baking soda. Is baking soda good for blackheads? Yes, it is. Baking soda exfoliates your skin, leaving it soft and smooth while unclogging pores containing dead skin cells. It helps to neutralize your skin's pH level and allows it to produce less oil, completely preventing blackheads. It is not necessary to use baking soda for blackheads only. In fact, if you are looking for a chemical-free cleanser, you can try homemade baking soda face wash for blackheads as well. How to use baking soda for blackheads. Are you wondering how to remove blackheads with baking soda? Try any of these simple and easy methods to get rid of blackheads. 1. Baking soda with water. To enhance the effectiveness of baking soda, a warm water soak or splash on the face beforehand is recommended. This helps to open up the pores and loosen the gunk in them. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda and a small amount of water, making a fine paste. Wash your face with warm water. Apply the paste to your face while focusing on the affected areas. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Massage your face gently in circular motions for 2-3 minutes. This will help to loosen up the dead skin cells, blackheads, dirt, and impurities. Using warm water, rinse off the paste. Splash cold water on your face to shrink the pores and prevent dirt from entering it. Repeat 1-2 times a week for best results. Optional, apply apple cider vinegar solution, diluted equal parts of ACV and water, with a cotton ball to tone your skin to return your skin's normal pH level. 2. Baking soda and toothpaste for blackheads. In a bowl of warm water, soak a washcloth or cotton pad. Wring out the excess and place it on the blackhead affected area for 1 minute. This step helps to open up the pores. Combine 1 part each of baking soda and toothpaste. Now add 2 parts of water to it and stir well to make a paste with fine consistency. Using a toothbrush, rub the mixture on the affected area for 30 to 60 seconds. Wipe off or rinse the paste with water. Repeat the process once in a day until the blackheads are gone completely. 3. Baking soda with honey. When baking soda is mixed with honey, it shows an effect of oil drying and exfoliating action, which is very helpful in removing blackheads. Mix a teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda for blackheads and form a fine paste. Apply to the affected areas by gently massaging in circular motions. Let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse with a washcloth and warm water. Follow the process once in a day until you see the results. Note: baking soda and salt will dry out excess oil on the skin and clog pores to remove the dirt, dust, and other impurities. 4. Baking soda with lemon. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of granulated brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice until evenly blended. Pat your skin with water and gently massage it with your fingers, focusing on the dry patches or problem areas. Allow the mask to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat the process once in a week until you achieve the results. 5. Baking soda with apple cider vinegar. Combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Make sure to slowly pour the vinegar into baking soda to keep the mixture from bubbling over. Mix well until thoroughly mixed. Spread the paste on the areas where you want to remove blackheads. Avoid the area around your eyes. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes or until it dries completely, keeping your head up to prevent dry chunks from falling off your face. You will feel an itching sensation when the mask begins to dry. This is reaction caused while the mixture is drawing out the facial impurities from the skin. Rinse your face with warm water until no visible signs of the mask remain. Wash your face with your normal daily facial cleanser to clear any mask residue. Pat your face dry with clean and dry towel. Caution: if the application is causing any burning sensation or super hot feeling or anything weird sensation, then wash it off immediately. 6. Baking soda facial scrub. In this process, we will use essential oils like rosemary oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, sandalwood oil or any other oil. When baking soda is combined with essential oil, it exhibits an exfoliating property and softens the skin. To a wide mouth jar, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Gradually, add enough water to make a thick paste. Add a few drops of any essential oils. Mix well and apply it on your face, focusing on the affected areas. Let it dry until it forms a crusty layer on the skin. Wet your hands with warm water and scrub gently in small circles. Repeat 2-3 times a week. Note: store the remaining mixture in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Use the solution within 2 weeks. 7. Baking soda with sugar. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Wet your skin using warm water. Now massage the paste gently in circular motions. Leave on for a few minutes. Rinse with warm water. Pat face dry. Follow the treatment 1 or 2 times in week until you notice the results. 8. Baking soda with rubbing alcohol. Now, this one is an ultimate remedy for baking soda pore cleanser. Read below to learn how to prepare and use it. Rinse your face or the affected area with mild oil-free facial cleanser. Dry your face with a clean towel. Gently disinfect and dry out the area by applying a cotton ball with rubbing alcohol. Avoid areas that are dry, peeling or inflamed. Boil 1/2 cup of water. Add 1/2 cup of baking soda to make a fine paste. Allow the mixture to cool. Apply the paste to your skin with your fingers while avoiding areas that are dry or inflamed to prevent the irritation. Allow the paste to dry. Rinse with warm water. Splash your face with cold water to close the pores and reduce redness and inflammation. 9. Baking soda with herbs. Wash your face with normal cleanser. Boil a cup of water with a few strings of fresh rosemary or elderflowers. Allow it to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Drape a long towel over your head, making a tent. Hold your face 12 inches over the pot for 5 minutes. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of warm water, making a thin paste. Apply paste on your skin, concentrating on the affected areas. Gently scrub for 2 to 4 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Pat dry using a dry, clean towel. Apply facial moisturizer suited to your skin type. Take a face steam and scrub once in a day using the mixture of baking soda and water for blackheads till they are gone completely. In order to prevent blackheads, you have to use baking soda and water mixture few times a week instead of normal facial cleanser. Repeat 2-3 times a week instead of normal facial cleanser. 10. Baking soda with distilled water. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a pint of distilled water in a clean bowl. Moisten a clean towel or washcloth with warm water and place it on the affected area, or take a warm shower to open the skin pores. Dip cotton balls in the baking soda solution, squeezing out the excess solution. Apply to the affected skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Fully saturate additional cotton balls, wrapping them around your index finger, making sure to cover your nail. Position the cotton balls on opposite sides of the blackheads and press straight down onto the skin by applying gentle pressure. Rinse with benzoyl peroxide containing an exfoliating cleanser to clean off the sebum and dirt. 11. Baking soda with salt. Baking soda and salt will dry out the oiliness in the skin and clog the pores to remove the dirt, dust and other impurities. Mix equal quantities of baking soda and salt in a bowl. Soak a washcloth in warm water and dampen your face using it. Apply the powdered mixture, avoiding the eye area. Gently massage in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off using cool water. Though the mixture is very handy for blackheads removal, it can lead to cracking and drying of the skin and irritation if used regularly. So it is recommended try this treatment only once in week. 12. Baking soda with milk, it works well to treat blackheads. Baking soda contains acid, neutralizing alkalinity, and milk has lactic acid to clear the pores and lightly exfoliate. It provides a gentle and quick facial to prevent the blackheads. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda and 1/4 cup of milk. Apply the mixture on face and gently massage in circulation motion. Leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse off using warm water. Now, splash some cool water. Repeat the treatment once in a day for effective results. Warnings and tips for safety: avoid applying baking soda on open wounds or squeezed pimples as it causes some irritation and worsens the problem. Repeated or overusage of baking soda or salt can irritate the skin and cause drying and cracking, make the situation worse. Stop and immediately rinse if you have an allergic skin reaction such as rash or an increase. Consult a dermatologist if you experience an allergic reaction. Doing any or the above-mentioned methods a single time will not give immediate results. You must regularly repeat the processes until you experience complete relief.